Welcome to the Llama Cookbook podcast. In this episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of Llama, a powerful tool that's reshaping the way we think about machine learning and AI. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this guide will help you build your understanding of inference, fine-tuning, and retrieval-augmented generation, or as we call it, RAG. So what exactly is Llama, and why should you be excited about it? Imagine you're trying to teach a machine to not only understand human language, but also generate meaningful responses based on enormous data sets. That's where Llama comes in, and today we'll unpack all of that. Let's kick things off with inference. Now, if you're wondering what inference is, think of it as the process where the model applies its learned patterns to new data. It's like a chef using their skills to create a dish with ingredients they've never combined before. So, how do we approach inference with Llama? Well, you need to ensure that your data is well prepared and relevant, almost like selecting the right ingredients for a recipe. Moving on to fine-tuning. This is where the magic really happens. Fine-tuning is the way we optimize Llama for our specific tasks, just like adjusting a family recipe to your taste. It's about taking a pre-trained model, which already understands a lot, and teaching it the nuances of your specific data. We'll discuss some strategies to help you choose the right datasets and parameters for that perfect balance. And then we have RAG, which, let's face it, sounds a bit like an old-school rap group, doesn't it? But it stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, and it's a game changer. RAG helps your model bring in external knowledge to create richer, more informed responses. Imagine if our chef not only knew the recipe, but also had access to the world's best culinary encyclopedias at their fingertips. That's the power of RAG. I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you ever faced challenges when building models? What tips do you wish you'd had at your disposal when starting out? As we explore these topics today, keep those questions in mind, because I think they'll lead to some insightful discussions. Now let's face it, navigating this technology isn't always smooth sailing, but each challenge is a stepping stone towards becoming an expert. So as we delve deeper, remember to take notes and reflect on how you can apply this knowledge. And hey, if you've ever Googled how to start with AI, you're definitely not alone. As we wrap up this delicious introduction to building with Llama, let me leave you with this thought. The future of AI isn't just about creating intelligent systems, but about enhancing our creative and analytical capabilities. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the Llama Cookbook and start experimenting. Thanks for tuning in to the Llama Cookbook podcast. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us. Let's continue this conversation next time. Happy building.